In this video, I'll be working with the species of Cerisa. Before we get started, this awesome bonsai t-shirt I'm wearing and a range of others are available to order at jacquelinebonsai.com. Be sure to check out that link in the description. Before removing any tree from its training pot, I like to line up pots of different sizes, so I have some options ready. This water tray will make cleaning up the soil easier. Now onto the tools. We need wire cutters, a pair of bonsai scissors, 2 pairs of pliers for straightening and tightening wire, mesh to cover the drainage holes, different gauges of aluminum wire, a pair of tweezers, and a chopstick because I might get hungry later. After removing the tree from the training pot, I'll then use the chopstick to remove soil from the roots so I can see if it needs to be pruned and if it can even fit into any of the pots I prepared. Let's compare the pots and see which one can perfectly fit this tree. I found a winner. That drainage hole will leak soil when watering, so it needs to be covered with mesh and held in place with wire. Because there's only one drainage hole, I'll have to use a different wiring technique to hold the tree. I'll leave a link to our wire bending videos in the description. These 2 arms of wire will hold the Cerisa and the mesh to the pot. Why do we seem to only use Akadama soil in our videos? While young trees don't need as much nutrients. They can survive with just Akadama soil and fertilizer for the first few years of their life. Twist the arms of the wire to tighten the tree to the pot. Use the pliers to make it even tighter. Cut off any excess wire that is sticking out. Add the second layer of Akadama soil and use a chopstick to push it under the roots. This will stop it from wobbling. If you want to learn more about Cerisa, we have an article on it on the blog at jacquelinebonsai.com. I'll leave a link in the description for that also. And of course, if you want the tree to survive, you will have to hit that subscribe and bell button. It's very important. Two weeks later, the tree looks like me, dead on the outside but very much alive on the inside. It's already growing its new leaves and I'll post more pictures of it on Jacqueline Bonsai's Instagram page.